I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Chad Garin TV. For today's video is tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng Gmail account or Google account. Okay guys, tara, pisa na natin. Okay guys, una sa lahat is open po natin yung Google account po natin. Depende na lang sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Meron po tayo iba't ibang browser. Firefox, Internet Explorer, tsaka Opera Mini. Bali, ang gagamitin po natin ngayon is Google Chrome. So, type lang po natin is gmail.com. Enter. And then, click po natin yung create account. Po natin is pang sarili pong account natin. Create natin yung for myself. So, create your Google account. Bali, gagawa po ako ng account gamit yung aking YouTube channel. So, Chad, last name, Garin. Tapos, bali, gawa po tayo ng username po natin. Bali, Chad Garin TV. Okay, at gmail.com. Tapos, password po natin. Bali, yung password po natin is use 8 or more characters with the symbol, sabi niya. So, create po tayo ng password po natin. Tapos, type po natin dito, confirm, yung same password. Wait. Okay, and then, next po natin. Okay, verify your phone number. For your security, Google wants to make sure it really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code, sabi niya. Bali dito, may option po tayo kung saan bansa kayo nakabase, nakadestino, kung saan man kayo naroon. Depende din sa inyo. Bali, akin, gagamitin ko is bansang Israel kasi andito ako sa Israel. 050-77-49534. Okay, and then, click po natin yung next. Okay, tapos check po natin yung message. Enter verification code. So, bali, dumating na po yung message. Buksan po natin. Bali, tinext na po sa akin yung Google verification code. Ito po yung Google verification code. Okay, bali, type na lang po natin 128363 and then click verify. Okay, and then nakasulat dito is kailangan natin i-fill out yung recovery email address. So, lagay ko dito yung verification email address ko gamit yung aking Yahoo Mail. And then, yung month, yung day, tsaka yung year. Okay. Gender, male. And then, why we ask for this information. Then, click po natin yung next. Okay, get more from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use across Google services. And then, for example, blah, 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 blah. And then, click po natin yung yes in. Okay, and then, bali po, ito lang, basahin na lang po natin yung privacy and terms. So, fast forward na lang po natin. Click po natin yung agree. Okay guys, bali, okay na, nakakreate na po tayo ng Gmail account or Google account. Okay, okay. Bali, quick review lang po tayo. Bali, dito po yung compose. Kung gusto nyo po mag-send ng message, email. Ito yung i-click nyo. And then dito yung inbox. Tsaka yung mga message na sinend nyo. Okay, bali dito yung profile natin, yung Google account. Pwede nyo yung palitan ng pictures. Yun. Bali, gamit ang Google account, pwede na kayong gumawa ng YouTube channel, pwede na kayong mag-subscribe sa mga channel na gusto nyo, and then pwede rin kayong mag-react, mag-comment. Okay. Okay, for today's video, maraming salamat. By the way, bali, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Chad Garin TV. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.